Okay, I'm going to show you how to view a course as a student, which is going to give you a little bit better idea of what the student actually views, although it is not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go to my practice course. Okay, and up here it says course options, view course as, and I can choose any students that I have in the course. You'll know you're looking as a student because it literally tells you at the top who you're seeing the course as. So you will see how the work appears to them. Over here, you will see assignments. One thing that is different is over here, you will not see the resubmit assignment or submit assignment button when you're looking at view as. Okay, but you can show students how to access and view their grades, okay? How to check materials, how to see updates, okay? So there is a lot that you can do to show students when you do view course as, but remember, it is not a perfect view.